The warning oil sensor workshop in older Volkswagen vehicles is connected with the oil level and temperature sensor located in the oil pan. There are basically two culprits of this problem. The sensor is not functioning properly, or there are issues with the wires in the harness that connects that sensor. In older vehicles, the sensor is easily accessible if you just get under the vehicle. You can clearly see the connector and check it first. Very often, one of the wires rubs over the oil pan and eventually gets a short circuit, which sets the code 00562 in the diagnostic system. This triggers the oil sensor workshop message, and it may intermittently come and go, but more commonly, the sensor will require replacement. Usually it makes sense to replace the sensor only during a regular oil change, because to take the sensor out, you will need to drain the oil. Also, given that these engines are equipped with the manual dipstick, you may not worry much and keep driving, just check the level manually more often. When it's time to replace the sensor, you'd better buy an OEM part, since the price difference between the OEM and aftermarket is not huge, but aftermarket sensors often prove to be faulty right out of the box.